I've flipped open the cover, open up the entire spa. And first thing I'll do after I have the spa open is check the filters, take them out. I have to make sure that I take pictures of everything so everything is documented, including clarity of the water. All right, so after that, I'll try and remove any of the debris that there happens to be at the bottom of the spa or maybe floating around. And then from there, I start to check the chemicals. Let's check their bromine. Make sure that the bromine dispenser is filled. I typically add 3 to 4 tablets a week. With this customer in particular, I add 4 to 5 a week. Bigger the tub, the more tablets you're gonna need. We use digital testers to test your water chemistry. So I will test it, and then from there figure out what I have to add.